Hey guys, it's Scott here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the basics of affiliate marketing and specifically the differences between direct affiliate marketing versus indirect affiliate marketing. So let's get to it. Before we dive in, I just want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we chat about making money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. So if you like this video or if you want to learn more about this type of stuff, please like the video. And if you'd like to learn more about this stuff moving forward, please subscribe and tip that bell notification so you're notified of all the videos when I release them. Also, guys, comment below if you would like to have a free 30-minute coaching session with me where we can chat about things, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. So comment below and I will choose a winner, and on the next video I will display their name here, and if that is you, then you will email me. We can set up a 30-minute coaching call. Okay guys, now to the meat. Okay you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna make this video very short and simple. We've got the slideshow going on here. Okay, so chatting about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's very simple. It's to refer someone's product in exchange for a commission, okay? It's really just referring something that you like, something you're passionate about. That's the better type of affiliate marketing. And you just share it with your audience, share it with your friends, share it with random people, whoever it may be. And if they like it and buy that product, then you, as an affiliate marketer, get a commission. Very simple business model. And it's awesome because it could be a win-win-win, meaning that your friend or whoever you referred it to is going to be happy because you referred them a good product. You're going to be happy because you made a commission. And then, of course, the company, the original company, that someone, they're going to be stoked because they got to sell. Okay, so let's chat about direct affiliate marketing and indirect affiliate marketing. This is something I've been thinking about over the holidays and over the break that I had. And there is a difference. And this could really benefit you either way. You know, if you know the differences between direct versus indirect, this can really set your path and set you up for success, okay? So I'm gonna go right through this slideshow here. Okay. Direct affiliate marketing is something where it's like a personal brand. It's kind of like me in this channel right now, where I share my face and I share products that you can promote and start doing affiliate marketing, okay? A lot of it is sometimes make money programs. Now, sometimes that can have a little bit of a negative effect where people are like, oh, is this guy just sharing this so he can make money? You know, so there's a little bit of a gray area sometimes there where some people are like, is it right? Is it not? You know, that sort of thing. But overall, you got to think of it as like you're helping somebody learn and start making money online. So it's the path I'm taking. It's a path that many others do on YouTube, okay? Another kind of signs of it being direct is where, you know, they sign up under you and then they can make money. You know, it like allows them to make money. So it's like the key, it's like you pay $1,000 for a program, and when you pay that, then you can then promote it for $1,000, you know, that kind of thing. And it's not multi-level, it's just a one-level type of thing. Okay, so it's kind of more of a peer-to-peer, right? It's like from Scott to whoever you are, right? Like Scott to Jared, or Scott to Sam, or Scott to Samantha, you know, that type of thing. It's usually where you show your face, okay? This is where you get out on social media platforms like YouTube or Instagram or whatever it may be. Show yourself, teach, educate, share your knowledge, and refer people to really good products, services, software, that type of thing. You kind of have to sell yourself, okay? So an example is Nathan Lucas from the Freedom Influencer. He has a YouTube channel. He has over 200, 300, 400,000 followers on YouTube. What does he do? He just records himself every single day sharing how to make money using the internet, using YouTube. And he always sends a link to a product where he refers people to, which one of them I know is Legendary Marketer, which is also a product that I highly recommend. And I will add a link below if you'd like to sign up there, where it is a product that I believe in, where you can start making money online, okay? Yeah, so that's kind of the direct path, okay? Now, if you're someone that's not afraid of sharing your face and recording yourself and getting yourself on camera, then the direct method is a really good way, and it's kind of a little bit more of an active approach. You're getting yourself out there, you're kind of branding yourself and thinking, okay, this is not a fly-by-night type of way to earn money. You are putting your face out there. You're expecting that you will show up from now until however long you want your business to be in existence, okay? So indirect methods, okay, for affiliate marketing is where you don't have to show your face, okay? You can and you cannot. It doesn't matter either way, but it can be like an anonymous brand. You know, you can create a random blog or website or YouTube channel where it doesn't even show your face, and you can start publishing content that will be geared towards a specific product, a specific service, and then you can link them to whatever that product is, and then of course if your viewer or audience clicks on that link, buys, and you get paid a commission. So ways that I think of indirect affiliate marketing is not necessarily like a money making program. I kind of think of it as like tools or solutions. So if I'm like, hey guys, my name is Scott, and to make money online you have to buy this program, okay, that's kind of the direct. And I'm gonna say then, while you're using this program, I would highly suggest use this tool called ClickFunnels. It really makes the process easier. Here's a link to that. Okay, that's affiliate marketing. It's kind of a hybrid in between, but I'd say it's almost a little bit more indirect. It's not like, hey, sign up for this to make money, so then you can make money. It says, say, look into this awesome tool to make your life easier. And if you like it and you buy it, then Scott earns a commission, and whoever signed up for that tool now can perform and do things much easier and more efficiently, okay? It's more of a targeted audience. So I see you guys creating videos about how to do email marketing for accountants, okay? Very, very specific. But if you can provide a solution like a ClickFunnels landing page for that, and email automations geared specifically for those accountants, then that is a really good indirect way of saying, hey, I've got a solution for your email marketing where you can have like 100 swipe up emails, you can have, direct funnels, capture these leads, etc., blah, 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 blah. And it's very direct. And when someone, you set up your type of internet marketing efforts to target those people, when they go there, they're going to sign up because you have an awesome solution for them, okay? A lot of times this is from indirect is business to business. Great thing about this, guys, is you don't have to show your face, okay? So here are some examples of indirect. So you could have like a website called The Best Vacuums 2020. And on that site, you have 10 different vacuums, and you have a review of each one. With each of those, you can have links to Amazon where you can buy the vacuum and get 2-day shipping with Prime, and it's awesome because you landed on it, you're able to learn a lot of things, you're able to buy it right then and there and get the shipping fast, etc. Okay, so that's an indirect where you don't have to show your face. Another thing is I kind of already mentioned is like a best email automation tool. You can have a website or a YouTube video or whatever, just explaining the best email automation tools. People like to know that, maybe they're already shopping, they're already buyers that have their credit card out, and they're like, I don't know which TV to buy. Should I buy this one or this one? So then they Google search which TV is better. They find the answer, the link's there, they buy. That's how. Another example could be fun gift ideas, okay? The focus is on the fun gift part. It has nothing to do with purchasing, okay? And so you can create whatever content revolved around the best gifts. And of course, those gifts are gonna have links to then go buy those things, okay? Another thing is doing motivational videos, okay? A lot of YouTubers out there growing channels by creating these awesome motivational videos. You know, some that can be a minute long, some can be an hour long, where they add cool video clips and add cool, awesome voiceover. Okay, they can get you lots of views, lots of attention. And the cool thing is that you can add a link to the bottom of that, and that link can be whatever you want. So why not have it be something like, hey, drop the 9 to 5, now's your chance, lock in an awesome way to make money online. Okay, and that can be a link to something else. Or best motivational book for 2020, add a link to a book. Okay, so those are some things, some ideas to help you to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, now I have some action steps for you guys if you're just starting out learning and implementing affiliate marketing in 2020. Okay, so here are my specific action steps you can take. Okay, step number 1, choose between a direct or indirect path. Now you can kind of overlap these a little bit, but you need to decide, is it going to be you? Are you going to share your face in these videos, or are you going to not show your face? Now, something I want to mention with the direct path is that it is kind of more of an active approach where you're sharing your stuff, you're getting yourself out there. You need to make sure that you can feel comfortable getting out on camera, and you might not feel comfortable right away, and that's normal. But you, as you continue to do it, you need to think, okay, down the road, 10 years from now, do I want to be making X amount of money? And am I willing to be in front of a camera to be able to do that? Okay, so you need to think of that. Hey, that's my little boy. All right, so if you don't want to be on camera and you're like, no, I don't ever want to be, it doesn't matter what the money amount is, I still don't want to be on camera, then I would suggest going indirect and not showing your face. Okay, and in a way, the indirect path can be a little bit more passive, because you can create these videos with not having to like show up on camera, and anyway, it can be a little bit more passive. Okay, so choose. Okay, step number 1, action step number 1, choose whether you want to be direct or indirect. Okay, the next is you need to choose a channel. You need to choose a platform, a social media platform, whether it's YouTube, which is great, I would suggest that. TikTok's another one I'd suggest right now. It's hot in 2020. Instagram, blog, etc. Those are some other good options. Okay, the next, you need to choose products that you like. Okay, so whatever program or product you're going to promote, make sure that you trust it, like it, and be willing to share with others, because people are going to come back to you and be like, hey, you referred me that product, I love it, thank you. Or hey, it's kind of sketchy, I don't like it. Like, why'd you refer that to me? They won't trust you any further, right? And that goes with indirect or indirect. Okay, the next is you just got to create content around those products or services that you are sharing. Always provide value. Okay, that's an action step. Providing value is key, because that gains trust and like from your audience. And then, of course, share the link. Okay, and I'd say that within that sharing that link, you'd hope to capture their email so that you can retarget them and do all that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, that is the overall video. I've got a link below, and it's a generic link. This is where you can communicate with me and ask me questions. You can say, hey, Scott, I want to get started with affiliate marketing. That's what I want to hear. And if you do want to get started with affiliate marketing, I can help guide you, where there's products literally you can start with just $1 up to, high ticket type of stuff. Just depends on the path and direction you want to take. So click on that link below if you are interested in starting, and I will be your guide and help you during this process. Okay, guys, once again, comment below if you'd like to enter into a free coaching call for 30 minutes. Please like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you, guys. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.